Well, summertime's holding on here across the area as we do have our big heat dome that is centered right over the Lone Star State and central Texas, and that means we are going to stay dry. The heat will continue likely through the weekend. We may take the edge off the heat as we move into next week with some drier air and some slightly cooler temperatures, but other than that, it's going to stay pretty dry around here. We may get some tropical developments by mid to late next week across the Gulf, but right now most models keep that away from us. So let's check out what we're anticipating tomorrow. Fall officially arrives at 8:03 tomorrow evening. Well, just keep in mind that it's going to feel like summertime here. So even though we'll officially be in the fall season where the sun is right over the equator, we are going to continue to see summer-like conditions in our area and chasing record highs. 100 degrees is what we're forecasting on Thursday. The record is 100, and the record for Friday is 99. For the first full day of fall, 100 degrees is what we're forecasting. Not very fall-like. Weekends not feeling fall-like as well. For the first weekend of fall, 96 to 98 degrees. It's not a record high, but still going to be pretty warm. Then finally taking an edge off the heat as we move into next week, with temperatures falling into the upper 80s and lower 90s. But tonight, we should be pretty nice out there. Some upper 60s out to the west, lower 70s for the rest of us as drier air is filtered in. So it'll feel pretty good in the morning, but it'll quickly warm up. Highs in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees as we move into the afternoon hours. So we'll be sweating it out a little while longer around here. And looking at your forecast, those temperatures staying around 100 on Friday, 98 on Saturday, then 96 Sunday with an isolated thunderstorm threat by the evening hours as a weak front moves in. That'll take us down to 93 on Monday, upper 80s Tuesday, and I'm going to take it back into the lower 90s Wednesday and Thursday. There are a couple models that are a little bit cooler than that. We'll continue to track it, but where we're really going to notice this is the lower 60s for lows by the middle part of next week.